Hey, what's up, folks? Micha-EL here. Rocking and rolling, baby. Big time. Birds are singing. I don't know if you can hear them. It's about 8 a.m. Monday morning. Imagine that. I was up a little late last night. Not too late. I went to bed about 3 a.m. I'm in love, man. I got energy I can't explain. She gives it to me. She sends it to me. She tells me, I'm protecting you, honey, she says, so... You know, she's my twin flame, Fatima Maria Oz. That's her name, in case you want to know. But don't bother. Anyway, you know why I don't bother her? Because she's quiet, and she's an angel. And she don't have sex with all guys like I used to. She's not like that. No, she's an angel. That's why I love her. Because I'm a little devil boy. And when we get together, you better watch out, because it's Lucifer and God together. You can't beat them two together. You feeling me? Crazy fool, Mick Serridge. Yeah, crazy fool. I'll teach all you guys everything if you let us. Maria, I am. Oh, see how he's speaking code? Sister Mary Catherine. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. I do. She does. Okay, just a little lesson. Anyway, creativity's running wild here, folks. Must be that crazy love, man. Wow. I got animals all around me, man. Like birds are loving me. I love them too. I want to fly away. You know why? And I'm going to fly away gravity get up style. Because I wrote a song last night. I say wrote. I got a lot of mixes of it probably I could do. But this is just the first one. I got to figure out which one I want to put on my next album. I got a lot of songs I made. I don't know which ones to use. Tell you what I need is some vocals, man. I got good vocals, but I'm lazy with them. I gotta be in the mood for them. I just put on the song and I just start playing, singing. And if I don't feel it, I can't do it. And I haven't felt it lately with the vocals, but it's coming. I can feel it. I've been in like an electric club scene now for the last week or two. Yeah, working on my machine, like DJ style. Maybe I'll be a DJ one day too. Get that scratched. I got that native instruments going. That shit's the bomb, people. Any musicians, man, I don't care if you're a drummer or guitarist, whatever you are. You want to learn real music? I say real. I give you guys credit because I can't play guitar very well. A little bit. But I don't have to. I got the machine, man. I got the computer. You learn how to master that, man. You'll make, especially if you're a good musician, wow. You'll set your world on fire, man, because you can record, you can do it first on the computer, and then you can learn it if you want, or you can do it vice versa, actually. You can record your drums into the machine, or guitar. I use, I forget the software program. It's with Native Instruments. It's the biggest one, I think, in the world, or the most famous. I know all the stars use it, Metallica, a lot of the guitars. Ramstein, I know he uses it, Ramstein, whatever, from Germany. He's actually a sponsor of it, Native Instruments. A lot of them are. So is Metallica. So is Skillrex. You guys heard of Skillrex? He uses Native Instruments. Machine. Just like what I have, exactly. This baby right here. See it? That's the machine. That's the monster that makes the music, baby. Learn it. It's hard at first, but stick with it, man. It's very hard. It took me like a week to turn the damn thing on. I'm not kidding. Alright, I'm going to play this song called Gravity Get Up. Okay, I did it last night. I talked to you, baby, and then I just smoked a little bonger, and then I got creative. It just, the energies came into me. You must have sent them my way. You told me you were going to protect me from any bad energy, and you are, baby. Nobody can get in us. Nobody. The only people that can hurt us are me and you, and she already knows that. So we're good. We're good. I want to be able to be a freak. I'll do whatever I want, man. When I'm playing my music, I'll do whatever I want. If I want to talk about sex, I will. You know, and you might think I'm talking about you, but I ain't. I'm talking about my girl. Only me and her know that. John Bon Jovi, again. John Bon Jovi. And his wife, what's her name? You don't even know it. You know why? Because she hides herself. And he hides her. Because they know they don't let the media get in their bullshit. They don't let friends play against them. Okay? If you're a true friend, you don't interfere with someone else's love. If someone's saying, hey, you know, I'm in love, man, you got to realize it. You know, I've gotten hurt a lot in my life. I've been infatuated with people. Matter of fact, me and Maria, Fatima Maria, talked about it. I told her the truth. I said I was infatuated with Master Maria Jesus Lopez from Ireland. I even wrote a song about her in my first album. Actually, there's another song, might be in my second album, about her. And I wrote a song about her and got real cocky, man, like I am. Real cocky, real sexual with her. And she has a twin flame. Imagine that. What an idiot I was. But I didn't bother her. I didn't call up her twin flame and say, oh, I love her, she's supposed to be mine. No. I knew that when she cut me off from Facebook, like she did one day, just one day, I put that song out, and she cut me off. And that's the last I heard from her. And it hurt for about a day or two. But I realized that it wasn't right. You know, I was infatuated. It wasn't real love. Real love comes both ways. It was agape love. Okay, I'm going to play this song before I run out of time because it's like 5.5 minutes long. So I hope you guys like it. It's called Gravity Get Up. Ready to rock? I am. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I'll dance, baby. Ready? Lonnie Thomas in Arizona could do that. Jacqueline from Nicaragua can bomb that shit with a cowbell. Me too, baby. I want to sweat. Little guitar, baby. Funk style, black man, yeah. Woo. That's me too. Woo! Hear that shit, brother? I'll get up, baby. Don't worry. Gravity won't keep me down. I know you do, baby. But I stay cool. You can't make me sweat. Nobody. I mean, unless I make myself sweat.
You got the own gravity. Gotta get loose. This groove is just what I need to get to. I wanna see it sweat. Come on. I wanna see it get up. I wanna see it sweat. Come on. I wanna see it get up.
funds ain't slinging no ball, and I got to push, cause you got to pull your own gravity.
It ain't over till it's over, until the skinny man sings. And that be me. You ever see that Jack Black? He's my man, boy. Tenacious D. That be me. I ain't slinging no bullshit. I'm coming at you anti-gravity style. That's it. That's rock and roll, people. Funk style with a little electric mixed in. You tell me it ain't. Woo, baby. All right, Mr. Jimmy Jenkins, what's up, my boy? Come to the funk town, brother. Wow, yeah. That boy get deep too, that Jimmy Jenkins. He can get deep with some politics. He think like me. He's a rebel. And he likes to play freaky Pink Floyd shit. 20 years ago he was being weird. I didn't understand then. Now I do. Just kidding, Jim. I always understood. Kenny Donatelli, what's up, brother? Now there's a drumming mother effer. And that boy, I went to high school with that boy. He played with Joe Satriani. Yeah, he did. Play with everybody. Not like me. I just play with myself. Ha! Done that too. A lot of nights. Hey. Whatever. You want to lie to yourself, man? Huh? You know that old joke? Oh, I don't play with myself. Yeah, right. I bet you never did, huh? Liar. Liar. Liar, Catholic priest. Bet you play with yourself too, don't you? Yeah, or you play with them little boys. And I don't mean all of you. I don't mean any of you, actually. Maybe just a real teeny percent. Hey, I'm a jokester. Take me for what you want. I don't care. I call it like it is, man. Get rid of that thing and you'll be all right. Where's my bird at? Oh, it's in my pants. Ha! Jim Carrey's on site. Jim Carrey's on site. Jesus is here. Oh, you want to see something? Look at this. My mom gets me beautiful gold. Like, this is a nice chain. Gold. Real. I mean, it ain't cheap. This ain't imitation, baby. This is the real deal. And I'm poor. When I tell you, my parents aren't rich either. At all. Not at all. They struggle. But my mom got me this beautiful cross, man. It's so awesome. It's polished gold. And on the back of it, it has, I don't know if you can see it, it's got crosses all over it. You can't. And so I wear that now today. And I also wear it with my fighting hawk arrowhead that I kill buffalo with. Well, not in this body, but in another body. And so that's me too. Just to let people know, you don't mess with the fighting hawk. And brother, you not ever mess with Jesus. Because you're messing with me. Because that's who I am. And I'm a lot of other things too, folks. A lot. You know Cyrus? Yeah, that's me too. You know Zeus? Yeah, and my twin is me. So don't mess with that girl. Powers together, powers to be. Oh, Mr. Mick, what's wrong with you on a Monday morning when you got to go to work? And then you got to fix your neighbor's thing because she called you and you said, yeah, I'll help you out. Tamara called me. So I'm going to help her out. No, not my ex-girlfriend. The woman that lives right next door to me. She's attached to me we live in the same unit. Just me and, you know. Yeah, Starseed job's never over, baby. When you're an advanced, ascended light master, that you come back to Earth, you got a job to do. And you better get busy doing it, folks. Stop being caught up in your own little crap and get with the mission. It's called Planet Earth 2012. We're here. Oneness. Seventh golden age of the seventh Baktun of the Mayan golden ages is coming. And we're all going to be part if you want to be. Goodbye.